This EAS mockup contains valid EAS tones. I am not responsible for said tones. Do not play these on the air, as doing so may lead to an actual EAS activation and cause mass panic. Also, please do not steal my videos. Doing so will lead to your channel gaining a copyright strike. Thank you for complying. SPC Phoenix 2001 presents, to all who may be receiving, an EAS scenario describing the aftermath of World War III, at least in the best case scenario.
This is an emergency action notification brought to you by the request of the White House, the Department of Defense, and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 6:23 p.m. Central Standard Time, representatives of Vladimir Putin in the United States delivered a declaration of war to the White House. 2 minutes later, the launch of 170 nuclear missiles was detected from the Russian Federation. These missiles are believed to be headed towards the United States of America, Canada, the United Kingdom, and France. Due to the large amount of missiles, exact locations cannot be known at this time. However, all residents within 200 miles of a large city or military installation are to take shelter now. I repeat, all residents within a 200-mile radius of any large city or military installation are to take shelter now. Failure to do so may result in certain death. Do not panic. I repeat, do not panic. Panicking will only make this situation even worse. When taking shelter, take supplies, such as food, water, batteries, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio to last up to 14 days. Stay tuned to this channel for more information about this unfolding crisis. The emergency alert system has been activated to keep you informed. During this crisis, all normal programming will cease. These missiles are expected to impact within the next 5 minutes. Take shelter now. I repeat, take shelter now. Taking shelter could mean the difference between life and death. Find a place of safety immediately. Failure to do so may lead to certain death. All normal programming has ceased. This is not a test. Brace. 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 This is not a test. Seek shelter immediately. Seek shelter immediately. Seek shelter immediately. Failure to do so will lead to certain death. Seek a fallout shelter immediately. Failure to do so will lead to certain death. The emergency alert system has been activated to keep you informed about this ongoing crisis. Interference detected. Interference detected. Interference detected. 185-107-240-133. Moscow, Russian Federation. This is just a test. This is only a test. You may return to your homes at this time. Please excuse us for the interruption. Return to your homes. There is no threat. To all citizens receiving this message, do not panic. We repeat, do not panic. A world-ending disaster has occurred. The United States government congratulates you on your survival. The President is alive and well. Repeating, a world-ending disaster has occurred. The President is alive and well. The Emergency Powers Act of 2021 has been imposed, and all 50 states, as well as all overseas territories and Native American reservations are now under martial law. All state and reservation governments have been abolished in the face of this disaster. For your safety, remain indoors, as any lingering effects from the disaster may kill you. This message will repeat in 30 minutes following a playing of our national anthem. To all United States citizens who are receiving this message, congratulations. You have survived not only World War III, but the fallout effects that have followed it. It is now safe to exit your shelters. However, Washington, D.C. and surrounding areas will remain irradiated for a few weeks. If you are in this area and require food or water, call 911 and the National Guard will be deployed to assist you. We thank you for your cooperation during this global emergency. Emergency broadcasts will now be handed over to local officials.